All right, spiritual practice in daily life. You don't have to isolate yourself or discontinue, and don't compartmentalize your life. Become your own spiritual practice. You know, when I give sermons someplace, I always say, you know, become the prayer. Become that. Don't practice that. Don't think that. Don't memorize that. Be that. Be that. You know, be that. So the practice is education. And your choice of teachers. Always calibrate the teachers and calibrate the pathway. In your daily routine, you include contemplation as a way of being in the world. So when I say turn your life into a prayer, you become that which is supportive of all of life and can see what the limitations of life are, and therefore you tend to uplift life by virtue of that which you have become. And meditation and contemplation become part of your life, as does prayer. Contemplation, to me, is a way of being in the world. You see, meditation has its place, but and I spent many years meditating, but meditation tends to take you out of the world. You can't function in today's world and spend all your time meditating. I did it when I came out to wherever we are here, and it didn't do anything. I just stayed in that beatific state, you know, just stay there. But you can't function in the world. So being contemplative then is, I compare it to sort of a yin position. Contemplative means, you see, yang is very this. God, I got to have this, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to, it's very yang. A contemplative way of being in the world is a yin posture. Psychically, you have become that which is open. And by virtue of that which is open, the yin side of you summons forth from divinity that which you need. Huh? You go to bed with a question on your mind, and you wake up, and the answer is there. Not through any doing this. By virtue of that which you become, your life becomes a supplication. To thee, O Lord, do I surrender my will in the matter. And you ask that the Lord reveal to you. So you're asking, so life becomes a continuous revelation, which eventually becomes the continuous miraculous. Yeah.